Say hi, Mama. Talk to me, Mommy.
Blake, what are you doing?
Hey.
Hi.
Blake.
Say, Daddy.
Hey, Blake. Say hi to Mama. Hi. Hi. He's playing now. He wants to play. Jared got the ball out.
Aren't they supposed to come in?
Yeah, in a minute. Say hi, Mommy. Say hi. Hi. Say Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. Nope, he just wants to throw the ball. Throw it to Derek. Boom. Good right-handed boy. Throw it, Blake. Yay. Call him, Mama.
Does Derek have his glasses on?
Yeah.
Does he like him?
Yeah. Blake. Blake. Say hi.
Happy boy.
Hi, Mama. Hey.
Blake, come here. Come here.
Say hi, Mama. Hey.
Mommy.
Say Mama. Hey. Hey.
Mama.
He's not paying any attention.